So we're up here on this beautiful May day. I mean, it's windy as hell. We're at a motorcycle boutique in Columbus, Ohio. It is one of the most gorgeous shops I've ever been in, and we're kicking ass today out here in the little lot they set up for us, man. We got a shit ton of riders. We have had crazy things happen all day. We've had breakdowns. We've had crashes. We have had frames break. So it's been a nutty fucking day. I got my boy Murica, StarGirlz Peep, my boy Steve Zorg here. We're just shredding and killing it. But dude, Murica, you got to tell us about how you flipped over the bars today. I don't know, was that a mouse trap or what the hell even happened?
I found a piece of candy, man. I had to grab it.
Ooh, piece of candy.
You did. Yes, you did.
Dude, yeah, it was a mouse trap for sure. I think I was going back for a scrape, and I think this 12 bar hit like a crack.
There's waves and grooves.
Yeah,
out there.
it hit that, and all I know is it just launched it down, and I was going flying.
Dude, I just saw your legs just in the air, dangling up. You know?
I turned my head. I was trying to record you doing a stoppie, and I turned my head. He just comes barrel rolling in. I just barely caught that on the video, and I think you both were trying to do some tandem stoppies at that point. And you look back and like, what is going on here? And then the bike just takes off, and I'm like, oh, somebody kick it over, kick it over.
That's all I kept thinking. Somebody tackle it or something. But I'm gonna be honest, dude. I see my Grom sitting off the side.
Yeah,
and
it was so
I
close.
see his bike just wobbling. It's going this way. It's going that way, and it's like right to the Grom, and it just flips to the other side and goes right around and goes into the curb.
Now we have another person who's trying to ambush our Grom.
right.
That's the last thing we need. Fuck you, Kevin.
After my flip,
Kevin,
Fuck you, Kevin. We ain't forget about you.
after I completed the flip, I just popped up and I'm like, please, the bike just be on the ground. And I see it going. I'm like, oh no, dude.
Dude, it bounced side to side a few times.
Yeah, well, I'm running $4,000 on idle.
Yeah, I'm 4 or 5 grand all day
so
too.
like, she's just cooking, man.
Yeah, and she was going after. There was some vengeance in that motherfucker's heart that time.
Not bad of me.
And then we got Fish Stunts. He shredded that show you guys were at last night. He's killing it here. Rolling stop. He's doing the kick-ass death spins on that CRF 450, and his main frame snaps today out of nowhere. Like, did anybody see what he was doing? Did he scrape? Was he just doing his normal double pegs?
Yeah, it looked like it. I mean, he had a couple good little scrape pounds popping, you know.
Steve always sees everything.
Right.
I'm chasing around with the camera.
But he didn't even break the subframe. It's where the subframe connects to the mainframe, the tabs that come up. It snapped it on this 450, bro. I've never seen that. I've been riding dirt bikes my whole life. I've never seen a mainframe crack or break or anything unless somebody overshot and jumped too far. That was about it. Steve, you got that new Z up here today, bro. That little Z125. I've never rode one before. Those things are torque houses.
It's crispy. It's got a little bulk to it or something, though. I don't know. I gotta get that worked out.
You gotta figure it out. But dude, I've never rode you can't stall it. With your gearing on it and the natural gearing from Cowie, that motherfucker goes a quarter of a mile an hour with the clutch out.
Stock
I'm like,
front,
wow.
38 rear. It's torquey. I like it. Stock clutch. Everything feels good.
Oh, dude, it feels great for just the circle stuff.
I'll tell you what, this wind is so strong right here today. I was trying to do a 180 on stoppie. I'm like pushing and I just feel it pushing at me. All my hair's blowing over. I'm just like, whoa, that's
I was thinking of a whole new trick today. We can put a parachute on Peep, go parasailing off the back of the bike while I'm doing circle wheelies.
No, because the girls were talking about that earlier. I swear they were talking about your wife wanted to do it with you.
Yeah?
Showing the parasail. I mean, it's so bad out there. The caution tape is no longer caution tape. It's been so strung out and ripped from the wind. It's just a string.
I was out talking to a lot of people in the crowd today, and there was a lot of people really interested in tandem stunts all of a sudden. So
well, that's cool, man. I mean, a lot of people like it. That's kind of why we use it as like the grand finale for the shows, just because people really go off. Like we were talking to your wife and a few other girls earlier, and nobody, like I got my headphones on, I got the bike at $4,000, I don't hear anything until Peep gets on the bike, and that's when the crowd gets loud enough that I actually can fucking hear.
I watched a video on someone's story earlier from it, and like you could tell, like, but I was also on top of the headlight, like let me hear it.
Right. When you're up there, people were screaming.
So they, of course, if I'm like let's go, like they're gonna during the biggest trick, they're like, okay.
right. They're all for it. Yeah. And then the Harley burnout scene. Dude, did you bang fifth?
Dude, yeah.
You're in fifth. The smoke the sound, just out the chaos.
That thing would not bust, man.
Dude, you were wide open on it, wide open. There was so much rubber, and it just kept going and going. But dude, it was a sick burnout.
Everybody on the backside was all covered in rubber at some point. Everybody's eating chicken wings with rubber on their face.
Those bird baths in the bathroom to get all the rubber off.
Dude, half the cameramen are covered in rubber. Like, me and Peep were doing, she's on the front pegs, I'm doing burnouts around you. I come across, I'm just covered on one side, she's covered on one side.
Oh, that shit burned.
Yeah. It even melted her fishnets.
Yeah, that thing took forever to blow. I'm like, is this gonna go or not, man?
Dude, it just had to be I don't know, maybe a little harder compound tire or something. It just handled
She's
it.
done now, though.
Right, just got cooked. But
We got a lot of slingshots out here and everything else. Too.
Dude, they sell them here. It's definitely a big dealership for them, and I've never seen so many slingshots together. There's got to be at least 40 of them out there, all customized up and
They're so
gorgeous looking. All the bikes I've seen here today. Dude, I got to see an R1M1 today in person. Those things are like unicorns. You don't see them.
They move a lot of bikes through here, from what I understand.
Yeah, they do. They do.
Beautiful facility. They got a full team ready to go.
Oh, dude, this is one of the most high class. Like, I'm waiting to get like some champagne handed to me while I'm, shopping at these bikes. This is the most nicest way I've ever seen the bike shop to come in and just shop for bikes. I absolutely love it. Like, where's the guy in the tuxedo and the drink girls walking around? That's how it feels in here. It's a boutique.
Can we order a bottle now?
Right. Where's the bottle?
Where's the bottle service?
We walked in earlier. I'm like, oh my gosh, this is a dealership. That's
Right.
nice.
This is like the future of dealerships. This is like the next level.
Is this an old movie theater?
I don't know what it was, but it's cool as shit what they turned it into.
If you guys are in Columbus, Ohio, definitely stop by, check some bikes out. And,
Yeah, definitely. If you're here, Columbus Motorcycle Boutique is a place to get a bike. They got a couple out there. I mean, they got a beautiful all-black R7 out there. Oh my God, it's got my dick hard.
Careful, dude. I'm sitting right next to
Mine
you.
too.
Don't touch it.
But yeah, we banged out 2 shows, and we're going to bang out another one at 4:30 today, and I'm excited as fuck for it.
Something crazy may happen then. It's
Yeah,
not
you
over
never
yet.
know. We've had a lot of craziness. We had frames break today. Misfortunes on the bike where he went flying off, and front brake lines breaking. We've had all kinds of craziness.
He's got
today.
a fresh tire, so.
I got a fresh tire on the Harley.
Oh God.
The goal is to keep it, still inflated after the show, but
I don't
it
believe
just depends on how the crowd is, to be quite honest with you.
Go ahead, girl.
Never mind.
They're not a bad crowd.
No.
they're like
I was
they're
about
chill.
to say, I'm pretty sure this crowd deserves it. Like,
They're chill.
They
They had bikes launched at them.
right. Let's talk about the attempted mass murderer. I've been calling him that all day because why are you trying to kill everybody?
It's on his bike. It's not him. It's his bike. It just
I
came
know,
alive.
I know,
Went at the crowd. It's like,
I know.
I'm sick of this shit. I'm out.
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
Everyone else is killing it today too. All my guys.
Oh, dude, everybody you brought is just slaying. Like, everybody's doing great. We've had just a couple mechanical problems. Unfortunately, Josh with that broken frame, that just, my heart fucking goes out to it for that one, man. That's horrible. And that's such a nice bike, too.
It is.
It's a well-built CRF 450, I believe a 22.
You guys have got another show coming up soon, don't you?
Well, we have the June 21st. We got quite a few shows. We got street rides.
Yeah, there's like 6 or 7 more too. Yeah.
Everybody go follow him
sure.
on Facebook and Instagram or everywhere you can
And if you
find
wanna,
this dude.
If you want to know the StarBoyz shows, just check it out on Ridingon.com. They got all of our shows, our street rides, everything coming up, the flyers for them, and share them up when you see them. So definitely, dude, let's go out there and just kill the rest of this day and have a good time.
Sure.
It's fun.
Check it out.
Good job, boys.
Oh yeah.
Good job, honey.
Oh, man.